teardown day for the Sport Chief, so check out our last video to kind of see what we're doing, what we're working with. We put cams in it the last time, so we just got it back from Dyno Tune. And I want to show you guys quickly some sweet wheels that we've got. So these are the Retro 15 SMT wheels with a bronze chrome powder coat on them. So these are gonna go really good with our kind of retro race theme vibe that we're going for on this bike. So stay tuned to see what colors we go with, but it's gonna be pretty awesome.
This is gonna be a complete frame off teardown. We're taking this all the way apart today. We're gonna start up top, start with handlebars, tank, fender, seat, electronics. We'll just keep going from there.
Start with the seat, that should be the easiest, right? We're gonna send this off to Rich Phillips. He's gonna use the seat pan to make us a custom seat for the Sport Chief.
All we're gonna do is just lift it up, go set it on the table, we'll get the gas out of it.
Okay.
Would you like to do that, or you want me to?
How heavy is it gonna be?
Depends how much gas you put in it.
Oh, okay.
Here you go.
Sweet.
And we'll just set that over here on the table.
Jeremy.
Our nickname for all of them, we're like, oh, look at all of our chickens. Because they run around and they squawk, right? They squawk at each other all day. So we call them chickens.
Nice.
And then now that we have the garden in the backyard, we're calling it the chicken farm.
Be worried if they start laying eggs.
If one of my cats lays an egg, we're gonna have big fucking problems. Fuel pump.
You know what that reminds me of? Star Wars, they have those helmets, and there's that one little thing just like this that sticks up on the top of the, exactly. So we're gonna be doing some custom risers and a custom gauge pod from my machinist. So we'll do 8-inch pullbacks, and then the gauge pod actually looks kind of cool. It's got wings on it, but not wings, so just give it a chance, but it looks really cool. So excited for that.
So next up, now that we got the tank, we've gotten some body panels off, we've gotten the handlebars off and disassembled, we're gonna get the mini fairing off of here, we'll take the front fender off, and then we'll start removing electrical components and start making it a little easier for us to get the motor out, the swing arm off, the shocks, the wheels, suspension, forks, triple trees, and we'll just keep going. So y'all keep watching.
I'm gonna do all this on my own because my instructor left me. Okay, all right. This is what we're going for next.
I have abandoned the project partway through.
Look, I got the fairing off and everything without you.
You did, look at that.
And I didn't.
You don't even need me, dude.
Right?
I'm gonna go home.
See ya. I'll call you when we get back to the electrical.
Sounds good, y'all have a good day.
All right, this is our last piece of body work. We're gonna send all this off to Lucky Strike, Jeremy at Lucky Strike. He's gonna do our cool paint job for us, lean into some of that old school race style. It's gonna be awesome.
Yes, that was the easy shit. All right. Oh, it's going. Hey, the camera's rolling. So what we're gonna do now. So what we're doing here is I'm just taking all the brake fluid out. We're gonna be replacing this with a Brembo radial mount. As you've seen on some of the other bikes that we've done, it'll be an aftermarket bracket here. So that way we actually get the 4-piston Brembo caliper back here as opposed to the 2-piston OEM caliper. What we're doing here right now, I just took the kickstand off, but this frame, if you notice, is bolted here and all along the bottom. So to take this motor out, one of the nice things about this being a steel frame we're actually gonna remove this entire section of frame and set it off to the side. So that way we can come up with our jack underneath here and start working the motor out as we go.
You can't see me.
I'm working with John Cena. Perfect. All right, so now, if you come down yonder, we're gonna cut some zip ties. See this bolt right here?
Yep.
There's 3 of them.
Okay.
There's one here, there's one up here,
Yep.
and then there's one on the other side as well. So we're gonna cut some zip ties, start unplugging some stuff, and start getting it out of the way so we can get all this off of here. But we're gonna start by unplugging the ABS module itself. So there's your ABS plug. Haha! They don't call me Magic Fingers for nothing.
It's not because you actually do magic.
No, no, that's because I can get into all the little places that Joey cannot. So that there is the engine harness. Well, it's part of the chassis harness, but that's what plugs into the engine stuff. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take the tension off of the belt, make it a lot easier to pull it off of that pulley. We are one step closer to taking the motor out of this. So the only things left that are holding up this motor is the motor mounts itself, the frame mounts on this side, and then we do have a little bit of work we need to do up in here to get these pieces out and unbolted. So, first up, I'll give you this. All we're doing is just supporting the weight of the motor right now, so that as we start to come down with it, well, as we unbolt it. This is a very slow back and forth dance to make sure that we're not pinching anything, breaking anything, scratching things. Don't do that.
All right, so now that you can actually see the engine, these rocker box covers, we're replacing those. So we have some audette covers that are really cool. They're beans, and so we'll be replacing those rocker covers.
There, thank you. Yeah, so, motorcycle. What we've done is we've removed the motor, as well as obviously, you know, all the body work we got off. The motor's out, the handlebars are off. So from here, all we're gonna do, I say all we're gonna do, we're gonna remove the chassis harness from this, we're gonna remove the brake lines, the ABS module, we're gonna remove the wheels, the swing arm, the shocks, the subframe. We are gonna strip this thing down completely until it is nothing but a frame, and then you'll probably see a video clip of me walking away with a frame somewhere, headed for something out of the promised land, I guess.
Frameland.
But, you know, Frameland, exactly. I'll be away I go.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Chassis
done.
harness. These are yours too.
Cool. Trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
I'm gonna need a bigger bag.
We're gonna need something. We're gonna need tequila. Yeah, much bigger.
I bet I could use that special
God damn.
hammer ratchet now and just whack it. You're like right there.
Oh yeah, it's right there. It's just okay.
You want me to try?
Sure.
Ah, look at that, I'm so strong.
Ta-da! There's the subframe removed. All right. So what we're doing right now, we're putting the frame rail back on, so that way we can actually jack the frame up, remove the swing arm, the rear shocks, the rear wheel, and then we'll flip around. We'll take the front off, the triple trees, the forks. So just using this as something to put the jack underneath, so that way we have a nice stable frame to do that on. Because as we said earlier there, what we're gonna be doing is putting a radial Brembo on in its place. And slide that right out of the way. And throw it in the dumpster, because we got cooler wheels coming. No, we're not gonna do that. That's a nice brand new wheel. One large nut. Break that free and just back it up a little ways.
Not all the way?
Not all the way yet.
Is it threaded all the way?
It'll be threaded quite a ways. Rapid, unscheduled disassembly. Now that we've gotten the swing arm, the old shocks, the swing arm shaft, the belt, the wheel, everything removed from the back, what we're gonna do is we're gonna move up to the front. We're gonna take the calipers off, the wheel off, we're gonna get the forks out, we're gonna take the triple trees off, and we'll be damn near there. Stay tuned. Not to twist it as you come out, because that will scratch the shit out of your fork legs. There you go.
Oh man. So we're gonna stick with this front end, but we're gonna do +2 cartridges from Big Bear when we put it back together.
There's a couple things we got to take out still.
Are you serious?
Yeah, unfortunately.
Okay.
Joey.
Well, we're about to send the frame off to be powder coated, so that will also be a different color next time you see it.
All right, so now that we are down to the frame, a few things we got to do left to be able to get it stripped down, you know, and get it coated and all that. We're gonna take the bearings out of the neck because they obviously wouldn't survive that process. And we're gonna take that triple tree and we're gonna remove the bearing and the steering stem from that as well. So get your safety glasses on and stay tuned because it's gonna get lively. Got it.
All right, so here she is. This is the frame. So it's going off to powder coat. We've got some 10s going off to paint. And then we're gonna, well, we already took off all the go slow parts, then we're gonna put on the go fast parts. But yeah, check it out in a couple of weeks. We're gonna be putting it back together.
Come on down to Music City Indian where we have that, we have this. Call Jeff and let us know how far you want us to take your bike apart, because clearly we can get it done.